How do you create data maps with missing data? Have you ever wondered how to create data maps when some information is missing? It might seem tricky, but with the right approach, it can be quite manageable. Let's break down how to tackle this challenge in a way that is both engaging and educational. First, understanding the types of missing data is essential. There are three main categories. The first is missing completely at random. This means the missing data is unrelated to any other information. For instance, if a weather sensor fails randomly, that data is missing completely at random. The second type is missing at random. This occurs when the missing data depends on some observed information. For example, if certain areas have fewer survey responses due to demographic factors, that data is missing at random. The last type is missing not at random. This means the missing data depends on the missing values themselves. An example would be when people avoid reporting sensitive information in specific regions. Recognizing these types helps determine how to handle the missing data effectively. Now, let's discuss several methods to deal with missing data on maps. One approach is to leave gaps or use symbols. This means showing missing data as blank areas or special markers on the map. This method helps students visualize where data is absent and encourages them to think about why that might be the case. Another method is imputation, which involves estimating missing data based on nearby or related information. For instance, if a county's income data is missing, you could use the average income from neighboring counties or previous years to fill that gap. This keeps the map continuous and easier to interpret. Using neighboring data in space and time is another effective strategy. For spatial data, values from nearby locations can help estimate missing points. For data that changes over time, values from previous or next time periods can fill in the gaps. Flagging missing data is also important. Adding a note or marker that indicates data was estimated or missing helps maintain transparency and teaches students about data quality. When creating maps with missing data for K-12 students, consider using interactive tools. These tools allow students to explore where data is missing and how filling it changes the map. It's also beneficial to explain why data might be missing and how estimates are made, which encourages critical thinking. Keeping visualizations simple and clear is key. Use colors or patterns to show missing or estimated data distinctly. Incorporating real-world examples, like weather stations or census data, makes the concept relatable and engaging. By teaching these methods, students learn that maps are not just pictures but tools that involve decisions about data quality and representation. This hands-on learning about data and its challenges makes geography engaging and accessible for everyone.